Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. This is our project title RAAC Robust and Auditable Access Control with Multiple Attribute Authorities for Public Cloud Storage. Let's see our project abstract. In cloud computing, security mostly based on cybertext policy. Because of security may need for storing data and distributing data from one to another person. This policy may create cloud secret keys. However, in existing CBABE schemes, the single attribute authority must execute time-consuming user legitimacy verification and secret key distribution, and hence it results in the single point performance bottleneck when a CBABE scheme is adopted in large-scale cloud storage system. User may stuck in waiting a queue for a long period to obtain their secret keys, thereby resulting in low efficiency of the system. Periodization is process done in our process because the more number of user request a same file when file access rights given to user on random manner, so other user wait time increased. So that the reason we proposed FAFO scheme if only give the rights for which user given the first request. Let's see our project data flow diagram. Initially, cloud file owner log in with his or her own username and also password. If new user first register, then log in with register credential. Cloud owner perform a story of files in cloud and monitor or auditing a view number of user requests. Cloud file owner provide a security key to user which user first request to cloud file. CFO sends or security key depends on FAFO method. Then user initially log in with username and also password. If existing users directly log in into system, otherwise the new user initially register then access our system. After the login process, user can view the number of files in cloud. If user can request a particular file in cloud storage, all authentication user able to request file in cloud. This request information sent to CSP. Attribute key generate automatically when user login into system. This key update every login because security purpose and individual identification. Finally, user can view the requested file response if get key from CSP. When user can download a file with three valid keys: security key and decryption key and attribute key. CSP in this model mainly designed for auditing the number of user requests and provide a key CSP. Initially login with authentication user and also password. CSP has a only have a rights for providing a security key for user. The CSP admin can view all the requests and provide a valid cloud key to user. This key is sent to the user who are requested in first. In all cloud computing, process must have in CSP because the cloud admin have a give a rights for accessing or transforming or distributing the data in cloud. Let me see our project demo. This is in home form of our project. Here you see the click to go main page navigation link. Click this page, then open the login form page. If your existing user directly login to system, there are two types of user: data owner and also user. If a new user, click this link, then open this registration form. Here user can register the put his details, attribute details, name, type of user, gender, date of birth, and password and email ID and address and mobile number. I do some example. If suppose email ID is not correct format, when shows the enter the valid email ID, and also suppose mobile number is not in 10 digit format, when also show the please enter the valid mobile number. You click the register button, then open register successfully message. Now user can log in our system. The existing user is direct login into system. Suppose user can the data owner upload his own file into cloud service when username and type of user and also password must put. Then open use data owner process page. Here you click the browse button. When you click this something else open in the left side the check box, it shows the content of that. The step 1, click the encrypted key. Step 2, store a file. Now the file can encrypted successfully. Step 1, must put his encrypted key. File store successfully message will show and encrypt successfully message will show. Then view the number of cloud requests the particular file with period of time. Now the existing user login into our system. Now user can edit the number of files in this system and also click this file, then cloud request for successfully. Then the another user similarly can click this function. Similarly he or she also cloud request. Then CSP provider give a key for downloading this process. Now CSP provider put his or her own username and also password. Suppose you admin put this invalid when display the login failed message. Then click finally login button. When login successfully message will be shown. Then open this page. Here periodization process may done. Click this function and first one is get the highest priority. So this only give the admin give the first right for FIFO process. Here click the send the response. Click the send response button. When open send response successfully message will be display. Now the cloud user Now the user can download the file with three types of key. Here it is show that SQL function, SQL error, then get key. This attribute key is automatically generated for user register or login into system. The decryption in key is sent by cloud owner and security key is sent by CSP, cloud service provider. The security key is not put in wrong format. When click the download button, when enter the valid key, it will be shown. Click the correct format when open this page. Now this cloud file is put into Dropbox, Google Dropbox cloud share with name sample. This downloaded file can view from any out of the world using the internet. This is a Google Dropbox area. Here existing user directly login into system, otherwise register then access our system, sign in. Here we can see the sample.pdf decrypted file. Click this file, then open the decryption format. Thank you for watching our video.